Music maestro Ilaiyaraaja is once again on the news, but before we start, we have to tell you that you cannot separate Ilaiyaraaja from music. But we have the representative for Ilaiyaraaja with us. Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. So, what is the reason now that Ilaiyaraaja has sent a notice to the producers of Manjummel Boys?
The movie, you all know, is going high on a song which was composed by Mr. Ilaiyaraaja. No permission was sought from him. No agreement or no consent was taken from him, and it is a violation of his copyright. He holds the intellectual copyright for that song. So without his prior consent, prior approval, that cannot be used by anybody else. This is the elementary copyright acts for you. And since they have not done that, and they are taking credit as though they have created that song, so that is the impression that is being created. So to establish his rights and to ensure that no other music director is taken for a ride, no other intellectual property owner is taken for a ride, this is being done.
For the general audience, how does this copyrights actually work, and what kind of weightage does a music director have over a song?
Yeah, see, there is a lot of misconception. The first misconception is that the producer owns all the copyrights, even that, including that of the song. See, there are three distinctive rights established or identified or recognized by the Copyrights Act 2012: cinematograph film, musical work, and sound recording. Cinematograph film is the entire movie along with the song, along with the sound recording. What the Copyright Act says is that when a producer commissions a movie, he holds the right for the cinematograph film and the sound recording which is attached to that film. So he can exploit that cinematograph film in the whole. If there are few songs in that movie, everything can be exploited by him, but not separately, not independently. The song which is composed by a music director is recognized as a musical work. And that musical work, only the composer, that music composer has absolute rights over that music. Nobody else can have any other right. If you want to exploit that song, that musical work independently, you have to get a consent. You have to get the approval of that musical composer. This is where the issue is. The producers or the directors of Manjummel Boys, they never sought this consent. Never had an agreement with him. Probably he has to be paid a royalty. He has to be paid a fee for using his song. That has not been done in this case.
So, the backbone of the movie is Kanmani Anbodu Kadalan, and it's a legendary song when it comes to Tamil Nadu. When we spoke to film critics earlier, they said that actually a thank note was given at the beginning of the movie. Is that enough to claim a song, or what is the legal procedure?
See, we have seen in social media, somebody writes a post, somebody writes something, somebody else copy pastes it. We have seen so many people griping about it, that their writing has been taken away, no credit has been given. When this is the situation for a post on social media, imagine the mindset of a composer, mindset of a music maestro like that of Mr. Ilaiyaraaja, when his works have been taken and they send a thank you note, or they say we are grateful to Mr. Ilaiyaraaja. What is preventing these people to go and talk with him? What is preventing these people? See, all of them are well connected. Everybody knows how to approach him. Everybody knows in the industry knows how to reach him. What has prevented these people? And again, see, it also, there is a misconception. I told you again about the producer. They say that we got it from the producer. Producer has no business. Producer has no right. So that is the reason why we want to assert, and we want this to be a precedent. We want to set the trend so that in future, no other music director, no other owner of an intellectual property is treated this way. Their rights have to be established. This is purely about establishing the rights, and Mr. Ilaiyaraaja is setting the trend.
And so, what exactly is Ilaiyaraaja, the maestro, is looking for from the producers of Manjummel Boys?
See, we have sought in the legal notice to pay compensation for using the song in the movie, and they also have to give proper credits to Mr. Ilaiyaraaja. So we'll see how they respond.
So much. That was Saravanan, who has very clearly mentioned that Ilaiyaraaja has taken this move just to make sure that his work, intellectual property, gets the proper recognition. Ilaiyaraaja does not require recognition, but if someone's going to use it, the basic thing is that they should at least get consent from him, is what Ilaiyaraaja is expecting, is what we hear from him. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for Today.